Right, that's going on camera.
Yeah, don't sing.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's not Paul. There he is.
Who was it, the lady on the bike? He's going to beat the tractor.
Here we go.
Come on, beat that tractor.
Uncle Dad's got a good bounce in his stride.
Oh, he's not going to be able to get across.
Come on,
There he
boys!
is.
Bonjour!
We're in. Come on. Oh, what a lovely country. Hold on, keep going, keep going. Last bit, last bit. The bike is the finish line. There he is. There he is. No time to rest. How do you feel?
Good.
There's Uncle Dad. How you feeling? Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Fantastic.
Oh,
Fantastic.
You. What? This I reckon about that big.
Yeah. It's time. It's iodine time later on. Big syringe. He's been dreading it, but unfortunately, we're really looking forward to it. Just quickly, Paul. How do you feel?
I don't feel out of breath really. Feel pretty good. My arch to my right foot has gone. I think it's collapsed. I've got a blister that feels like that. You can actually, when I walk, you can actually feel it spongy all across the left hand bottom of my foot, and the knees hurt, obviously. But yeah.
Okay. Fantastic. And how are you feeling emotionally?
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad, not bad. That's an improvement on this morning, I must have to say.
Yeah. A wee bit emotional this morning.
George,
Nice.
how do you feel running that last quarter?
That was good.
The last 25%, looking good. Still
Yep.
got the shades on.
Same again tomorrow.
Not a hair out of place. Watch out, ladies.
Yeah, right.
So,
Don't let my missus hear you say that.
a very successful day, I believe.
Good day.
Yeah.
Look, we got half one, get back for 2. Paul's got a lot more recovery time today. You know, we didn't get back till 6 last night.
No.
So recovery time.
Yeah,
Get the acid out of him. Get him sorted out.
superb.
And then, early one again tomorrow.
Fantastic. And here's our recovery lady right here.
Hi!
She's going to create all sorts of pain for Paul in a minute, but we all tell him it's good for him.
And we get it on video.
And we will have it on video.
I'm crying.
Excuse the laughing in the background.
Mind the trailer.
Mind the trailer, I'm about to walk into it. There it is. Alright.